Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, oh my god, why I said today's video? Why I did say today's video? Oops, sorry for that. Okay, I recently uploaded my new video on like early, like 4 hours. Then look at my clock. That's almost. I uploaded on 4, I think. Okay, this video has new fidgets. I made some new, double two new fidgets. Like this ago, my new squishy. I don't have anything. This is my big puppet. This is a raspberry or strawberry. It's not extremely satisfying. Okay, this is my thing that's new. Okay, this is a funny face laughing emoji squishy. I wish I had real fidgets, and I want real fidgets like Puppet. I love when I have real fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm playing with my fidgets. I'm playing with my fidgets now. Yay! Okay, you can see. I need to fix this. The sponge inside this. Oh no! I need to repair this. But it's so fun to play. Okay, let's random thing. Oh, my favorite making rules. It's a little fun to play. UUP. I think that's okay. Next one. Oh, pimple dimple. Simple dimple, I mean. Whoa, just so fun to play with. Oh my god, this fell down. You go. What is that all? Ooh, puffball, I love this toy. It's so fluffy. Guys, it's so cool to play with. It's so amazing. It's like not untaped area with the peppers. So cool to play with. Boom, boom, boom. Like, look at that cat face. Oh, cute. Mm-mm. Throw that away. Sorry, sir. Sorry, Mr. Fluffball. Okay, this is my first squish. Not failed. Oh, throw that away. That's boring. Oh my god. Boomerang. Go on. Oh, I drew that one time and it's gone. Oh, my favorite, my squishy toy. Boom, beam, beam, bang, beam, boom, beam, beam. Okay, I'm gonna destroy this toy because the flower inside is so annoying to play with. It's like gone, half of it, it's gone. I need to fill it with water and I play with like. Okay, I'm showing you in the another video. Like tomorrow. Oh, my longest monkey thingy. I mean, monkey noodles. Like, dang it. I don't know. It's like tangle. I don't know tangle spelling like. I'm just like saying that. Tangle name is. I have remembered it. I don't know. It's tangle. So I call it monkey noodles. And it's real monkey noodles, not tangle. Look, if you just tie this area and tie this area, the both, it's look like this. I'll attach this. Throw that away. I have a little bit. Boomerang, who wants this? The first puppet, boom. Controller puppet. I call him controller puppet. Throw that away. And my final thing. Wait, it fell down. Oh my god. Look, this is my iPad and you already know I uploaded in recent video. Boom. Boom. I don't color. Okay, I tried to make another simple dimple like it scratched these areas and I saw and it died. DIY, do it yourself. And tried it, but it's so big, so it's failed. So I look, I spelled this simple and here dimple. Here you can see now simple and here you go dimple. Okay, I'm not gonna play like, but it's still playable. It's like one puppet. Okay, guys. I think I hold up. Wait a minute. Ah, this is my big puppet. I can look. There's a big puppet. Boom, beam, beam. Okay, guys. Oh my God, it's already 6 minutes. Okay, bye, bye, guys. See you next day. Subscribe to Jealous Logo. Oh my God, I don't know my even my channel because I left the channel for because that's so boring. I don't have any big phones. What? It's already 518 MB. Okay, bye bye guys. Subscribe to my channel.